Class, our today's new topic is area of parallelogram. So class, in this time I just make here a rectangle whose length is 6 centimeter and breadth is 4 centimeter. So what is the area of this rectangle, class? If I am talking about this rectangle, area is L into B. The meaning is 6 centimeter into 4 centimeter, that is equal to 24 centimeter square. But if I am talking about parallelogram, class, what is the meaning of parallelogram? Parallelogram means whose front sides are parallel but the angle are not 90 degree everywhere. So class, in rectangle all the angles are 90 degree, but in parallelogram all the angles are not 90 degree, but the front side or the parallel sides are equal. So that is parallelogram. So here class, I make a parallelogram. So class, this one is your parallelogram. If you match this line to this, then if your rectangle is A, B, C and D, and if this point is E and F, then your parallelogram is E, C, D, F. And ECDF is your parallelogram and the area of parallelogram. Class, parallelogram I can write like this: area of parallelogram. The area of parallelogram is the area of rectangle. So whatever is the area of rectangle ABCD, that is the area of parallelogram. So now class, try to understand. This is your ABCD, a rectangle, and this CE and DF create a parallelogram. So as I told you earlier, the area of rectangle is equal to the area of parallelogram. But how it comes, class? Let's understand. If I am talking about this ABCD, class, so this AB is your length, so CD is also your length, BC is your breadth, and AD is your breadth. So now the same kind of figure I make here, but in this time this is your parallelogram and I make a rectangle from this red line. So class, if I am talking about again, and class, if I am talking about this figure, so first you understand what is the area of rectangle ABCD, that is CD into BC, we can say that, or CD into AD, it means L into B. So where is your L and where is your B, class? Here you can see, if this red line and this red line is AD, so this is your B, this is also your B, class, BC, this DC is your L, and this AB is your L. So I just need only DC, because for parallelogram and for rectangle this is your base. So for L you can use CD. Now class, formula is L into B. So where is your L for this parallelogram? Formula is L. And where is your B, class? This is your B, AD or BC. So this is AD. So class, for your L into B, we use AD as B and length is your DC, that there is no problem. But class, this AD is actually altitude. This AD is actually altitude. If I am talking about this DC and if I am talking about this AD, so this AD is altitude. You all know, class, the meaning of altitude. If you make a line from the point to the particular line and if create 90 degree angle, then we can say that is altitude. So AD is altitude. So AD is your altitude. So length into breadth means, class, length into altitude. It means to calculate the area of parallelogram you need just base, AD is your base, and altitude. So if you have a base and the altitude, then you can easily calculate the area of parallelogram. Or we can say, class, base into height. So this is your base and the height of the other side from this side. So by multiplying your base with this height, you can get the area of parallelogram. So you can use base into altitude or base into height. So it's very important, the base which you take, sometimes class, and it's important, sometimes you take the longer side as a base, sometimes you take a shorter side as base. So if I'm talking about this shorter side, then how you take at that time base? For that class, it's important. In this time, this and this is shorter side. Suppose this is 6 centimeter and this is 2 centimeter. So which one is shorter side? 2 centimeter is shorter side. So this is also 2 centimeter. If it is 6 centimeter, this is also 6 centimeter. Sometimes class in question, they give you the altitude or the distance between two shorter side. So that is means shorter side and the distance is this. So area of parallelogram is base into height. Now class in question number 2, they give you ABCD that is equal to 72 centimeter square. It means they give you the area of ABCD and they give you DE which is 8 centimeter. It means class, it's the altitude or we can say the height is there 8 centimeter and they ask you about AB. So area of parallelogram, because this is a parallelogram, that is equal to area of parallelogram equal to AB into DE. AB base and DE height. So AB into DE and that is equal to the area of parallelogram which is given here. So AB into DE that is equal to area of parallelogram. So class, they give you DE that is equal to 8 and they give you area of parallelogram. So AB is equal to 72 upon 8 that is equal to 9 centimeter. So your AB is 9 centimeter. Question number 3 is the side of a rhombus is 12.5 centimeter and its altitude is 6 centimeter. Find its area. Class, you all aware about the rhombus. All the sides of the rhombus are equal, but angles are not 90 degree. So class, you all aware about rhombus. This is the rhombus and there is a slight difference between square and rhombus. In square all the angles are 90 degree, but in rhombus all the sides are equal but the angles are not 90 degree. So if the one side is 12.5, so all the sides are 12.5. So in rhombus all sides are equal. So DC equal to 12.5. Why I am taking DC? Because it's a base. And altitude AE equal to 6 centimeter. They provide you altitude AE is 6 centimeter. So rhombus is also a parallelogram because class, the front sides are parallel. So area of rhombus equal to DC into AE. DC into AE, base into height. So we can calculate 12.5 into 6, that is equal to 75 centimeter square. And question number 4 is the adjacent side of a parallelogram are 15 centimeter and 9 centimeter in length if the perpendicular distance between the shorter side is 7 centimeter. So class, it's important, perpendicular distance means altitude. Between the shorter side is 7 centimeter. Which one is your shorter side? 9 centimeter. So it means the distance between 9 centimeter of two sides is 7 centimeter. So find the distance between the longer side. It means we have to find the distance between two sides of 15 centimeter. So how we calculate it? This is ABCD. This is also ABCD. I make two figure here and these two are the same figure. In first figure, I just take two shorter side which are 9 centimeter and 9 centimeter. This is 15 centimeter and 15 centimeter. So they give us the distance between two shorter side is 7 centimeter. It means if I make a altitude from AD to BC, that is 7 centimeter. It means the distance between AD and BC is 7 centimeter. It is given. So if I am talking about this figure first, area of parallelogram, we can calculate the base and the height. And it's important class, which one is your base and which one is your height? Height you all know, and the base means a line which create a 90 degree angle here. in this side, that is your base. So when your altitude create a 90-degree angle to the other side, that other side BC is known as your base. So area of parallelogram, base into altitude, your base is BC, altitude is AE. So BC means 9 centimeter and AE means 7 centimeter, given 63 centimeter square. But now in figure second class, the same figure is here, 15 and 9, 15 and 9, and they ask you about the distance between two longer sides. So longer side are 15 and 15 and distance between them is this. Suppose this is H. So you all know this DE is altitude. So this DE is altitude and AB is your base. So for this figure class, area of parallelogram, base into altitude, your base is AB and your altitude is DE, and DE means class H. So base into altitude, AB into H, that is equal to 15 centimeter into H. But class, it's very important if these two figures are same. The length is 15, length is 15, breadth is 9, breadth is 9. So length is 15, length is 15, thus shorter length is 9, shorter length is 9. It means both are same parallelogram. So the area of this parallelogram is also same like the area of this parallelogram. So we can say area of figure first is equal to the area of figure second, and in area of figure first we get the area 63 centimeter square, and from second figure we get the area 15 centimeter into H. So H equal to 63 upon 15, that is equal to 4.2 centimeter. Now question number 6 is the area of rhombus is 56 meter square. If the perimeter is 28 meter, find its altitude. So this is your rhombus and they give you the area of rhombus is 56 and perimeter of rhombus is 28. So you all know all the sides of rhombus are equal. So one side of rhombus is 28 upon 4, 7 centimeter. Because perimeter means class this side plus this side plus this side plus this side. So if they provide you or they give you that is 28, so definitely one side is 28 by 4, that is equal to 7 centimeter. So 7 centimeter is your side, and now area is 56 centimeter square. So class, area of rhombus they gave you 56 centimeter square. So now you all know rhombus is a parallelogram, so the area of rhombus is CD or DC into AE, and this is DC and this is AE. So DC 7 into AE, that is equal to area of rhombus, and area is 56 they gave us. So it's given, so 56 equal to base into height. So height means AE equal to 56 upon 7, that is equal to 8 meter. And now question number 8. In a parallelogram ABCD, if BC equal to 14, CF 9, BG 21, and you have to find AB. So this is your figure class. How we solve this? Let's see. So this is your figure class and it's important. Here they give you BC equal to 14, CF equal to 9, BG equal to 21. So find AB. So class, here you can see this is your parallelogram A, B, C and D. So area of parallelogram ABCD equal to base into altitude or base into height, that is equal to BC into BG. So where is your BC class? BC into BG. If I hide this part, then you can see in this parallelogram they take BC, the shorter side, and the altitude BG. It creates a 90 degree here, so it's a altitude. So BC into BG. So that is equal to BC 14 and BG 21. So this is your equation 1. Now CF is parallel to BE. CF parallel to BE. So I just make a parallel line. So if it is 9, then definitely this is also 9 class. So now if this is 9, so this is the altitude for this AB. So class, for shorter side we calculate the area of this parallelogram. Now for longer side, so for longer side How you calculate the area of parallelogram? With the help of this altitude. So that is AB into BE. So CF equal to BE equal to 9. So BE equal to 9. So area of parallelogram ABCD, that is equal to AB into BE. AB into BE. And this time you are taking a longer side. So AB is AB and BE is 9 centimeter. So we have to calculate this AB, and BE is 9. So class, in both the cases, when you take shorter side and the altitude, and in this time you are taking longer side and altitude, in both the cases the area of parallelogram ABCD is same, because this is your area and it should be same for both the condition. So in both cases, first and second area of parallelogram should be same. So AB into 9, that is equal to 14 into 21. So AB equal to 14 into 21 upon 9. So AB equal to 98 upon 3. That means 32 complete 2 upon 3 centimeter.